Hello and welcome to TawhidYt. In this episode I will show you how to find, that means how to get your trc20 for depositing in your wallet. So at first you have to go to Binance, then you will come, that means you have to click the wallet, here is wallet, then click deposit, that means you want to deposit trc20 in USDT. So click the deposit button, then here is the USDT, and if you don't get from here, just charge here USDT. Okay, then click the USDT. After that you will find trc20. Here is the trc20, then click the trc20, then copy the trc20 address. If you click here, then it will copy, or if you want to send your client QR code, you can just save this image or take a screenshot, then send to him. Otherwise you can just click here to copy, then it will show wallet address copied. So just paste here, look, anywhere you can paste. Okay, so this is trc20 address for USDT. Okay, send only USDT to this deposit address, that means network will be trc20. Okay, thank you.